What's up all, welcome back for another amazing video. I know it's been a minute, but welcome back to our channel, All Things With Us. We've been away, but we are back again with another bed transformation video. So as you can see on the screen, I've started by cutting off the headboard, and now I'm just making the adjustment layer. I know a lot of you have been asking yourselves why we've been uploading only bed transformation videos, and it's because we've been getting a lot of clients who want to transform their beds, and that is what we are doing now. But we have a lot of DIYs, a lot of transformation videos, a lot of videos, but we are going to know how to manage or balance how we upload our videos because we have a lot of bed transformation videos and we don't want to be uploading only those ones. So soon we are going to know how to balance them. And guys, we are very happy. We finally received our pin. Actually, they came 2 of them, but we are very happy. We see a lot of progress, and we thank you for the support you've been showing us, the views, the likes, the comments. We just hope that you continue with the same spirit, supporting us by watching our videos. And also don't skip the ads that show up on our videos. Just watch them so that we get that little extra money. Yeah, I know you know what I'm saying. Anyway, as you have been following the video, I'm just doing what I usually do. If you've been watching our videos, you see the process. You have seen the process of making these beds. So I hope you will enjoy this one also, and like it, comment and share. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome to our channel, All Things With Us. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So our client decided to go with this color, also decided to take this fabric that I'm going to use today in this tufting that I'm going to be doing on this bed. So I hope you will enjoy the transformation. And if you like our bed transformation videos, just leave a sweet comment, tell me what you think. And also, you can tell us what we can try, something other things that we can try, and we will definitely do. So this is the progress of the headboard. Yeah, I'm still doing some final touches on it, and also did the tufting on this the lower side of the bed, also covered the sideboards as you can see on the screen. And now what I'm going to do is just covering the edges, the sideboards for the lower side, and also to the cover the side for the headboard. And after that, I think I will be done with the bed and you will see the final reveal. I hope you have enjoyed the video till this far, and if you have enjoyed it, kindly like it, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, All Things With Us. Yeah, more content is coming.